might be, what your expectations are, and also what is new since we were here last time around. So I think two things that I wanted to kind of share with you. One is in February this year, it was 6 years since the Angola Oil and Gas and Biofuels Agency was created. Many challenges, but also opportunities, and most importantly, a lot of great achievements and accomplishments that we together managed to get. And here, with all the learnings and strides and progress that we made, which I think we still have time and improvement opportunities to go forward, but with all the strides we made so far, there are three main factors underlying behind all that work.